Okay, baby Bortignon, we are here. I'm your no Gasper, of course. We are here today. Everyone here is gathered for your gender reveal because we don't know what you are just yet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go around and ask everybody what they're guessing you're gonna be, a boy or a girl. I'm guessing you're a boy, but if a girl, it's okay. But your Auntie Avery,
I'm guessing a girl.
she's guessing a girl. Great! No, Lucy.
I'm thinking a girl as well.
Girl, two girls.
I'm going to say a
Nona
boy.
Mary says a boy.
A boy.
Great Grandma Sherry says
Definitely a boy.
a boy. Nona Carey says
Girl.
a girl. Holy cow, overwhelming.
A boy.
Great. No. A boy, he said. Okay.
Hey,
Well, no. This
you're
is your
making a-
dad. He already knows, and your mom. Look how they look right now. You're probably gonna watch
You're
this, and
making
they're
a-
gonna
you're
be
gonna make a guest
fat and
appearance
old.
on,
But right now they're
on Gasper's
young
YouTube
right now.
channel.
And your Uncle Steve is over here. He's gonna start the truck. And it's gonna blow the color of what you're going to be. A boy
You're gonna
is
guess
blue,
if it's a-
or a girl is pink.
If it's a
Steve, what are you guessing?
little boy.
A little boy. So
two more.
I think.
You got two more.
Oh, there we go. Uncle Pete. Oh, girl. Okay, so two more girls. Overwhelming. You're gonna be a girl. Let's see if we can prove you wrong. Steve, let's fire this thing up, and let's see.
Oh my god. Ready, countdown.
3, 2, 1. Girl, you're a girl. Overwhelming girl. You're a girl. You're a girl. Congratulations, Dad.
I don't believe it. Oh my god.
Hey. I'm not just.
You know
Nah,
what?
there's nothing wrong with that. It's all good.
Is it on? Your father had a dream you were a girl last night, so he knew.
Your father had a dream you were a girl and didn't tell us. And look what he's wearing. How strategic your dad is. He's wearing pink pants and a blue top so that we wouldn't know what you are. But you're a baby girl and we're gonna love you.